Okay, so this is pre-cut video. When we're talking about pre-cut, obviously the unique thing about PPF and being able to do this wet and do a kind of color change on a vehicle. Now, especially on a vehicle like this, we have this black pillar. You have the option to do certain pieces in pre-cut. Now, obviously we've discussed in other videos, if you're doing pre-cut, you're going to create a slightly thicker slip by using more milliliters per liter, which I'm going to be doing on this pillar as a demonstration. The standard kind of cleaner as we recommend applies. First of all, you're going to take your citrus cleaner and give it a good little wipe down. Again, this citrus cleaner, what it does is if you have done any paint correction or there are any remaining kind of minerals or any kind of residues from anything of the previous cleaners, it gives it a bit of a breakdown. Okay, so we have a really nice kind of way of breaking it down. Your citrus cleaner should stay slightly wet, and this will break down anything that's sitting on the surface. It doesn't necessarily lift it off of the surface. So once you've done your citrus kind of cleaner or your pre-wipe, then we come in with the alcohol, and the alcohol itself can mop up and it can kind of dilute and get rid of any of the excess that was there. Then you know you have a very neutral surface. It is perfectly set up and ready for your adhesive and the slip to work. Now, because it's pre-cut, I have the slip made very heavily. How you're going to use the slip, again, this is like a plastic piece, so it's very high energy surface, but you're going to mist it on the surface like this, so you have an even coverage. You will notice when you're using the slip heavier that the water is slightly better bonded together compared to the bulk fitting, which we'll cover in another video. Okay, so when you're doing bulk fit, you can do a mist. You'll notice it's going to bind itself together more anyway. Okay, you take your pre-cut piece, and the same applies. You apply it both sides. This is very, very similar to when you're doing a PPF install. Okay, right, and now we're going to work out where this needs to sit. Okay, in position. So I have it in position, and just as you would with a PPF install, you're going to start at one end. Now, if you're going to have a very light tack with this slip, is what you're going to find out, and I can immediately pull low and flat against an area. Right, this kind of slip tack working of this film is exactly what we like to use. You don't need to use a separate tack system. Very clean, very simple to use. Makes it very fast, and especially if you are doing pre-cut like this, makes your life very easy. When it comes to full coverage, obviously bulk fitting is going to be 90% of the time, but this obviously really speeds up your installation, being able to do certain pieces pre-cut. What we'll cover quickly now is edge finishing. Now obviously we've used a heavier slip. It does take a little bit longer. Now the unique thing when it comes to using the iron slip is what you may have seen in the tools section is the negative iron hairdryer. This edge is still wet from the install. We do not need to flush it out with a tack spray. We're simply going to run the negative iron air down the side. We're going to clear out the excess, and it's going to be immediately ready to finish off. So as I will show you, we'll run it down the outside edge, clear out the excess, and create a little bit of warmth in there. And then as soon as you've done that, it's going to be ready to finish, as I'll demonstrate. And we're going to finish off the edge. A little bit of warmth, and we finish off the edge. And it's really that simple. You do not need to utilize any type of tack spray. You do not need to clean it out. This is a very unique method for this slip. Like I say, the negative iron air that comes out of a negative iron hairdryer cancels out the structure of the slip, as in allowing the film to tack straight away. So again, this is pre-cut, very fast, very simple. You can slide it into position, you can squeegee out, tack your corners. When you come to finishing off your edges, using the negative iron hairdryer is the fastest way. Otherwise, you can use a little mini air blower, blow out the excess, get your heat gun, heat it up, and again, you can finish off immediately. If there's anything more complex, then utilizing a steamer to tack it into position to give you a harder hold is also possible. But yeah, that's pre-cut. Most important thing with pre-cut is to notice if you're going to use Precut, use a heavier slip so you have more slidability and a slightly slower tack. Make sure your life a lot easier to position it and keep a clean finish. Otherwise, if you're going to do a bulk install, you're going to use less slip, it's going to be tackier, and it's going to be more of a wrap style install. This again gives you a fast installation, but we will cover that in another video.